So boom boom.
I know, said I'm not pretend. That's why I'm driving the car tint up. No, me not just them. No one apart me, no one.
Top ranking, yeah. A bad man thing. Me back. I'm gonna even direct. Make sure you like, subscribe, click that notification bell to be notified. Alright. What you say? Woo! What?
You're soft, man.
Yo, I don't know what to do from the reading that title and sister with a banger prank. Me don't know if this will go good, me don't know if it will go bad. Yo, me know say it's been a week now, me no post on the line. And yeah,
Argument done.
Yeah, man. Me not prolong this no longer, not you?
Let's go into
Just watch the
this
video to the end. We out here. Alright, yes, so we are constructing madness. You don't know where sadness go.
Yeah,
yeah. I'll kill the first victim.
Oh, yeah, me first dog.
Here what we are gonna do.
Alright.
We never really plan this, just get up and see how we are do this, you see me? You call her, you see me?
Yeah.
Remember you have to be into yo, what go on, look how long you on page me. You see me? The man say yo.
You know, I'm telling you girl now. You say for a few phone on them what thing guy you see me? So they now go pick up your voice dog. So we can't just play along say this.
So say yo I call man, just make him know say you can get 5 minutes say you see me? If you can call me on camera.
Me don't know say one. That not so right.
Ah, but yeah me say no. Anything where out of context I cut you cause you know, you see me? And yo, this call you when he call you I go say yo, what go on, you see me?
Yeah.
And if you ask you why you have it, so you know say what times you have me there and me using phone, you see me? And me edit, you see me? Then say me I edit or something. If you ask that, then you have to say yo, call me not, look how long you text me, because in a long time
You did call him first, cause me I go laugh down. So you
yeah, but you
me know the next victim then.
Got him! Got him!
Let me do it to them. Come over, come over.
Yeah, that dog.
Do that one here. You ever want man start first? Yeah, what?
Start with that.
Yeah, hug seed.
Come on, brother.
Yeah, batty.
I know. Yeah, dog. Me avoid when me say start first, dog.
Start.
Alright.
You know if you do it, and then just jump in and say, yo,
But wait,
how long
man.
now me and your friend, sis? Best on these people, you see me?
Which one then? Cause too much to say dog.
Which one them again? That one.
6 plus.
6 plus. Alright.
Alright.
I tell you, say, yo, look how long me and your friend. And me ever have your back, you see me? In everything.
No,
you see me?
no, sir. Alright.
Pan tracks and something, so what you know now? Like how me ever have your back. Just have my back, this I want to one time and give me like go raw. Like a
You
boom
look
boom. Yeah, please, baby, like a boom boom, please. Ready? Go. That's man. We are all out the people them too long and they hungry. Go on.
Alright.
Come.
Hello, Wagwan. Huh? You know? No, man. I call, man. Wagwan. You know, say, for when you not link me, man, for my number, Wagwan. Yeah.
You know, some rules like all of my contact, I'm only people who take me after me tell people sports and people who take me after the time.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
You know, say a long time me have a back from Chuck's days, though. You know, say a long time me have a back from Chuck's days, though. Me have a back from Chuck's days, though. Yeah. And you know, say, and we are friends long time. And we are forever gonna be friends, though. But do me this one favor. Yeah, hear me? Because of boom boom.
Huh?
You hear me just say? You really hear me just say? Let me go some front. Huh? No, I'm not on YouTube. I'm ratted. Over a week now, we're not on YouTube. Huh? Why you say that? You not go up, really? I see how cheat me. But yeah, on a level still, you with me extra strong still now. Yeah? Eh? I mean, I feel that way, man. I feel a bum buck that way. Right through.
First victim, you know got 3 bad. Me sure, yo, when me go up on the line with that next girl, I crazy too, but you know go on too bad, but you know. Wait, say.
He said that will never happen.
And you will never leave this now.
No, I don't know, it's a joke.
A joke we are making and we are calling about, but in that start a video, we're going to start back on next one. How much me? Live in Derek and we're back in the studio. Chocolate, you check? You check?
Check.
All right.
Check, 1, 2, check.
Alright, let me see if I rise again. Oh, yeah. Remember. Reply to that text. I call the next victim. Show no me go hard when me I go hard, you know?
Yo, me smoke up.
Yeah, do right. Let me do it, me do it wicked. Well, me just call 2 of my friends. I'm a pause friend, man. 2 of me nervous not to remember what spell the girl name. Which one you number?
5 minutes later.
Must need some. Yeah. But me not think my best friend them are fuck me still because, you know, that just no.
That not sound
Ready. And you move too far from the camera to dog, so they not here. Pray for me. Yeah. Where you going? Where pray? Up at 2 now. Oh. You can't text me bad dog? You can't text me? Yo. If you tell one more lie, say me left you unread, you know for the on the earth. If you tell one more lie, say me left you unread, you know for the on the earth. You're too wicked. But in I mean while you look still. In I mean while you look still. Look how long me your friend. How long now me your friend? Years. Ever back in a good times and bad, in a tribulations and sad.
What the fuck?
You see me? Huh? Never this yet. And you never have my back yet. Eh? Me and your friend, long time, no fly we tell. You never do nothing valuable for me yet, never. Eh? Wait a minute, me not just say. Man, you can't really do nothing for me right now, but me just call it a tam, but hear me I say still. You can have me back this one time. Yeah, sure. You're 100% sure. On God. Right through. Alright, hear me I say. Yeah, yeah? Who left and who unread? Can you must read that by now? No? You see, say you left me unread now? Alright, hear me I say now. You're supposed to text me, owe me a text later. But when me really a defend, and some people really a defend, you know. Me say, you owe me a text, but right now, some people really a defend. Real talk. I see how you did me. What you say about my friend? So that means if not true. That means if yo, that give me a little bit not true. Wow. Alright. Alright. Later, yeah? Alright. But you know me I say still no? I brought me the prank, see. You know say me not big enough pum pum so. You know? Woulda come better than that. Woulda come better than that. You know, I joke. You know, I'm just building a video for YouTube and I need some content. You know, I just did two of the same fucking thing. Yeah, man, let's see how we link, yeah? Man. Everyone enjoy this content here, please. Please consider like, subscribe, click that notification bell to be notified. I'm out.